Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we've reached Harris County on our westward trip on US 90, and from here to Houston there are no more stops on Highway 90. Shortly the highway will become limited access. At Lindstrom Road, we enter the census-designated place of Crosby. Crosby lies entirely north of US 90 with the highway only skirting the edge. Near what is now the Southern Pacific Railroad, the town was named for G.J. Crosby, a railroad construction engineer. In 1861, the Sabine and Galveston Bay Railroad and Lumber Company installed tracks through this site. The first general store was built in 1865 by Charlie Karcher, and thereafter the town would become a shipping and retail center for lumber and agricultural products. The post office was established in 1877. In 1884, Crosby reported a population of 50, a school, a Baptist church, and a general store. Crosby now has a population of 2,299. We enter Barrett, also called Barrett Station, an unincorporated community and census-designated place with a population of 3,199. Barrett is mostly south of US 90 with the highway running along the northern edge. Barrett was founded by Harrison Barrett and has been registered in the Texas Family Land Heritage as Texas Century Farm. Born into slavery, Barrett was the son of Simon and Lisa Barrett, who came to Texas from Louisiana. Following the emancipation of Texas slaves in 1865, Barrett spent several years gathering his family together. He eventually found all of them except one sister, and they settled on land east of the San Jacinto River. He purchased this land in 1889 and began a community that later would be known as Barrett Settlement. Beginning with 7 houses, the community grew to include additional homes, farms, and businesses. After a post office station was opened there in 1947, the area became known as Barrett Station. Harrison Barrett's homestead, twice rebuilt by his descendants, stands on its original location. We cross the San Jacinto River, where just a few miles downstream the decisive battle in the Texas Revolution was fought in 1836. We enter Sheldon, an unincorporated community in a census-designated place located completely inside the extraterritorial jurisdiction of the city of Houston. Sheldon has a population of 1,990. The United States Postal Service built a post office in Sheldon in 1890, and it operated until its closure in 1953. Sheldon is currently serviced by neighboring post offices. From Crosby to I-10, US-90 is called the Crosby Freeway. The freeway has limited access the entire way, however, it is in a state of partial completion. The road is configured with center freeway lanes and frontage roads on each side. Where portions of the freeway haven't been constructed, traffic is diverted onto the frontage roads and then diverted back to the center where overpasses cross the intersecting roads. This is not uncommon in Southeast Texas, as it allows for a freeway to be built in phases as funds become available, while still being limited access throughout its length. We enter the city limits of Houston, which we'll see in a little more detail in the next video. Houston is the most populous city in Texas and the fourth most populous city in the United States, with 2,312,717 people. Houston was founded on August 30th, 1836 and incorporated as a city on June 5th, 1837. The city was named after former General Sam Houston, who was President of the Republic of Texas and had commanded and won the Battle of San Jacinto mentioned earlier in this video. Houston's economy has a broad industrial base in energy, manufacturing, aeronautics, and transportation. Leading in healthcare sectors and building oil field equipment, Houston has the second most Fortune 500 headquarters of any U.S. municipality within its city limits after New York City. The Port of Houston ranks first in the United States in international waterborne tonnage handled and second in total cargo tonnage handled. Nicknamed the Space City, Houston is a global city with strengths in business, international trade, entertainment, culture, media, fashion, science, sports, technology, education, medicine, and research. Here we merge with I-10, and from here through Houston and beyond to Seguin, US-90 either runs concurrent with I-10 or very close by. So we're going to deviate from the US-90 route in about a mile and take US-90 alternate through Houston and on to Seguin. We'll save I-10 for another video. We concluded exit 773A, Wayside Drive, US-90 alternate. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join our Facebook group. Just search 504 Road Trips Fan Group and join us for our next 504 Road